Hi everybody, I'm Joey, and I was just doing my whole class on Simply Zinnia, and somehow the internet just stopped and I lost my broadcast and it went offline. So I'm just going to finish. I was almost done. So I'm going to bring up my iPad here so I can see what you're saying to make sure you can see me. I think that's it, yeah. And then I still have to bring up my computer here so I can see your comments. Dang nabbit. So I will redo this for YouTube, I think. If not, if I don't have time, I'll give you the link to the second video. I'm sorry about that. Still doesn't want to bring me up live. Well, we're going to show the ends of my cards. I really was done showing the cards, so this is just a recap of what I showed before. But we use Simply Zinnia. And then I also did want to show you some more of the online exclusives coming up, plus my swap cards. We put a ribbon on this one. I think we decided we didn't really need the ribbon, so there's the one without the ribbon. So here are all the supplies that you'll get today if you put in an order of $40 or more. If you put in an order of $50 or more today or tomorrow, you get not only an embellishment from me, but then an embellishment gift. I've got a lot of extra things to give away that I'm going to pack in my classes to go this week. So if you want, we're going to go out with celebration with a bang. So if you're needing some more things to get some free gifts before the end of the day tomorrow, then put your order in and use this host code. Well, let me turn the phone down so you can see everything I'm going to show you now. Let's go to the toolbar here, and then I'll go upside down. Whoops, not yet. There we go. And then you'll be right side up. So here's the cards we made today. If you didn't see the rest of the video, the other video, then just scroll on my Facebook page till you find it. Or if you're watching on YouTube, I'll put a link to this video that you're watching now so that you can see all the cards, the whole video, how we made them. Sorry, I'm flustered. It was not a happy thing that my internet went out. But let me show you some of the other online exclusives. There we go. I can finally see. So I don't know if I lost my viewers or not, but you have to use this host code in order to get the class free. So just remember to do that. Then let me show you some other products, and then I'll show you all my swap cards. So some other things that are coming are, let me scoop these up really quick, this really fabulous coffee suite. It's called Latte Love, I think it's called. Is that it? Yeah, Latte Love. So let's look at that first. So here that is. And these are all the things that come with that. I haven't even opened this, so let's open it and look at it together. This will be available to customers on March 5th. It's available to demonstrators now. You could put it in your starter kit if you want to join now. So let's just look at this. So this is, get this up here so you can see it. Here's the side. You know, Stampin' Up! Always makes one side pretty bold designs and then the other side not. So there's that one. Here's some coffee beans and a beautiful plaid. Isn't that gorgeous? It's petal pink and Calypso coral and lemon lolly. And then the dies also will fit some of these cups. Not all of them, but some of them the dies will fit. I haven't even used it yet. It's brand new to me. I've been playing with the Simply Zinnia set. So here's all this. Here's one of the swirls. Such cute paper. Swirled coffee with cream. Some more coffee beans in white and I think that's Calypso coral. So that's the paper. these are the gems. These have, let me open these for you. Did I open these already? I think I opened these. They have a little bit of a swirl on the top. So, so these are the 3 colors. And I don't know if I can get close enough to where you can see the swirls without it being blurry. I'm trying to let my camera focus on it. There we go. You can see them a little better there. So those are the cute gems that come with this suite. This is the stamp set. And these are the dies. Again, I haven't even opened these, so we're seeing these for the first time in person. So what do we have? So we have this die cuts out the cup. This is like the inside of your cup, that little one, which is this right here. And then you've got like the several carafes, like 3 different kinds of carafes. You've got cups, handles, these round dies cut out the coffee cups, and you have a circle die too. So fun. So this is one thing I bought, and then I have cards to show you that I didn't make, but well, let's just look at the cards right now while we're talking about this suite. Grab my swap cards. I don't even have these. I just got these yesterday. I have opened them and looked at them, but they're still all in the bag. So let's take a look at these. I joined a swap with other demonstrators, and I made 16 cards of the same one, and then they did 2, and then we swapped them out like a Christmas cookie swap. So here's one with this set. This one is by Karen Titus. Some of you may watch Karen. This has, it looks like maybe something on the inside. Oh, so just kind of a little fun fold. And these are the cups that are in the paper that she cut out of the paper. So that's Karen's card. Here's another one with the coffee bundle. This one has the little gems down here, and I think I forgot to show you the ribbon. So this is the ribbon that comes with it. The suite I'm talking about, you can order these things individually. This is by Lynn Feldkamp. This is Lynn's card that I got in this swap. And this one is super cute too. This uses the splatter background stamp, which is perfect with this. That embossing folder is in the annual catalog, but I think that's a really cute card. This is by Monica Gibberti. This one uses, okay, so I have, well, let's come back to that. Let's just stick with coffee. So this one uses one of those carafes I was telling you about, and she used a window sheet, let me get this open, for glass in the carafe. So now you can probably see that window sheet. Isn't that cute? That is super cute. And let's see. Yeah, so that's just, I didn't know if there was anything on the inside or not. Yeah, that's super cute. This is by Lori Krause. Is her name. Then here's another coffee one. Uses the DSP like a quilt pattern. And then this is the cup, one of the cups that you can cut out with the dies. And this is by Kim Allen. This one, hi Diane, you came back, yay. Oh, you did on Karen Titus? Are you talking, maybe, I know she sometimes shows her cards in the videos too. I know, it does make you want coffee. This is, now this person, it's hard to see with the glare. Let me get it out here. This is from Laura Milligan. She did strips of the DSP, and then, see if there's anything more here in the bottom. Yeah, the inside is just blank, but that's cute. Oh, and she must have cut these out of the DSP too. So this inside swirl also has a die, and it's also in the designer series paper. Okay, now here's one more with the coffee. This is from my really good friend Corinne Braxton. She often makes fun fold cards. She's just a beautiful stamper. Not all these girls aren't, because they are, but so it's kind of just a little bit of a fun fold. I really like that. And she put Wink of Stella on the inside of the coffee, so I thought that was cute. And that's by my friend Corinne. I think I'll probably copy this card, and maybe some of the others too, but that's one of my favorites. All right, so now we've talked about the Zinnia cards, and I showed you those. For this video, I showed you those at the beginning of the video. If you watched my first video, I showed you how to make those 3 cards. But let's look at some more swap cards that I have. So this is, I don't know who this is. Candy Rattray, I think. So this is hers. This one is by Ruth Bingle. She just cut up the DSP in strips and put a little twine on it, and that is from Ruth. And then now this one is another set, so that's all of those that I have to show you. This is from a set called, oh, what's this called? I can't remember, and it's on the online exclusives, which I can't grab anything to tell you, but it's a cute little set. It has some cute dies in it. This is by Melissa Faust. All these things that you're seeing, you can purchase on March 5th if you're not a demonstrator. If you are a demonstrator, you can purchase them now. If you're interested in buying the starter kit, you can put these in your starter kit too. So I will put the link to join my team and the information to join my team and the links to the video when I upload it. So I bought this one too. This is an online exclusive. I thought this was so nice for men's cards. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I think it's really nice. The artwork is really pretty. I'm thinking of you. I just think this is nice. I'm anxious to make some cards with it. This one is another one I think is super cute. And it's called Sweetly Scripted. And it has happy anniversary, happy birthday, congratulations, a million thanks, speedy recovery, and save the date, which we usually don't see that. So that one is really fun. I think this, isn't it nice? This will fit at the end of a card, bottom of a card so nicely and fill up that space at the bottom. I think this will be a really good stamp set to have in your arsenal. And this one I'm super excited about, Encircled in Nature. It's got the trees and then these flowers and all the greenery. And some really nice sentiments. Also has the moon, and I got such beautiful cards with this. But let me show you the dies first. It's called Encircled in Nature. So look at these dies, you guys. Seriously, look at this. So you've got 2 sets of trees here that are just the dies. There's not stamps to go with those, but then there's also a die to go with this stamp. And then look at these wreaths, or these, let's look at these stamps here. Okay, so it's hard to see the stamps, but we've got some fall leaves. It looks like our oak leaves to put on our wreath. We've got all kinds of branches. So here's some like evergreen branches. Here's your fall branches, and here's your flowers. Now for dies, hang on here, let me check this out. So 2 flowers, 2 evergreens, 2 oak leaves, and then 2 of these dies, and then this die is going to fit these flowers. Now these stamps images are smaller than the stamps actually are, because they make them fit on the cover of the stamp set. So that goes there. And then let's see here. I'm a little confused. I should have this figured out before the video. Because you can't see through these. So these are just stamps. These don't have, the tree has a die, But these are just going to be filler stamps that you're going to fill in your wreath. I'm really anxious to play with this. I really was excited about this because I get excited about nature type things. So I'm excited for this one. Put that away later. But these are 2 cards that I got for this one. Now this saying is not part of this stamp set. It's from another stamp set. But look at how she did the leaves on this one. So this is Tracy Bauer's card. And I just thought this was so pretty. So she used those coffee gems that I showed you earlier. And then she used that leaf die, the oak leaf die. Am I right about that? Let me make sure. Yeah. So for her greenery. Now this background stamp is not, I don't know if you can see that. Is that part? Hang on. I need to make sure I'm telling you the right thing. I'm not sure that's part of this stamp set. It is not. So don't be confused by that. She used another stamp set. I don't know which one it was. I didn't do my research on that. But I thought it was a really pretty card. I like everything about that card, and I'm excited to play with this bundle. And then look at this. I'm saving the best to last. This is Mary Ann Grimmer's card, and just look at this gorgeous card. So she's done so much work on this. She stamped and die cut the trees. This is that wreath, if you can tell, stamped and die cut. Then she made a night sky, and she embossed with white the moon and the stars, and she also stamped in the background the trees, and then she put on top of them the die cut trees. Sorry, I'm getting out of the camera. Let's come back closer this way. There we go. And then she's got healing, peace, and rest on it. That also is not part of this. Oops, is it? No, that's not part of the stamp set. So that is in another stamp set, but it goes so well with the trees. I just thought this was a gorgeous stamp set. Am I missing something? I feel like I'm missing something. Because they've got these both of these girls use this background wood piece, and I'm so sorry I didn't look this up ahead of time. I thought it was part of the stamp set. But I will, and I'll bring that back to you next week. I'll have it figured out, and I'll tell you where all these background stamps are, because you probably want to know if you're interested in this stamp set. You probably really want to know that. So I will do that for you. Okay, my friends, sorry it was so discombobulated today because my internet stopped and I had to start over. So the whole day's cards are in 2 different videos. If you're watching this one, I'll link to the other one so that you can see me make the original cards with the Simply Zinnia set. And hopefully you'll be able to find both videos. All right, thanks so much if you were with me here today. Hopefully next week at 12:30, same time, same place, my internet won't stop working mid-video. All right, thanks so much for being here. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.